Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can build your own Skool community, so let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do to create a community is you need to go over here and click on Create a Community. You need to enter the group name and the card number of your card that you're using, enter your payment information so that you can start the free trial or subscribe to their subscription plan later, and then once you do that, you will have your community set up. Now, what you need to do once you set it up is go to your community tab, and here you can customize everything. You can invite people, which is part of the setup process. You can invite 3 people, but you should invite more if you want your community to grow. You should publicize it wherever you can. If you have any social media followings, you should post it there so that people can request to join. You can set up a subscription model if you want to earn money through Skool. But yeah, once you do that, you just need to invite people and market your community across the internet, and people will be able to join. Now, you might also be able to invite other users in other communities on Skool if you have a specific topic, or if your community is a bit of an offshoot or related to another community. You can ask the community owner if it's okay if you promote your group there. But yeah, you should also optimize your group or your community page. You should add a cover photo. You should add a description and everything of the sort. You should make regular posts and everything like that, and that should be pretty much it. You might also be able to buy certain ads to market your community that way, but that is pretty much it. However, marketing your community might go against the guidelines of Skool. However, that is up to you to figure out, because I don't know the guidelines. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.